Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Hi guys, I'm Sonakshi and welcome to another episode of Beautiful You. Today we're going to show you how to do the traditional Bengali look for the Durga Pujo. And I've got Sanya with me. Hi Sanya.
Hi Sonakshi.
So what are you going to do for me today?
So today we'll do the traditional Bengali look like you said for Durga Pujo, and we'll focus on the eyes. Today we'll have like dark, big, bold eyes like how Bengali women prefer. So that's our look for today.
Okay, great. Let's get started then.
Yes.
We'll start with the eye makeup. Brush your eyebrows and fill in the sparse areas using an eyebrow pencil or powder. Then prep your eyelids with a concealer and set it with loose powder. Let's start creating a traditional Bengali look with dramatic and glamorous eyes. Start off with a transition shade on the crease of your eyelid. This will help us with the placement of a darker shade that we'll be using. On a small blending brush, take a dark shade from your palette and start from the outer corner, blend it inwards. Make sure you blend enough so that there are no harsh lines. Next, take a lighter shade and go over the edges to blend everything smoothly. Now using your finger or a flat eyeshadow brush, pack on some shimmer eyeshadow and place it in the inner and center of your eye for some glamour. Let's move on to create a bold wing liner. Take a liquid or a gel liner and map out the wing of your liner. This will ensure that both your wings are uniform. Now create a thick band of liner for that bold wing eyeliner. Moving on to the lower lash line, fill in your waterline with a black kohl. Now using a small flat brush, take on some black eyeshadow and smudge the lower lash for a smoky effect. Coat your lower lashes with mascara and there we are done with the eyes. Moving on to the face, we'll start prepping the skin with a moisturizer and a primer to create a smooth base for our makeup. Start with the application of your foundation. Next, color correct your under eyes with an orange corrector and conceal your dark circles using a concealer. This will not only cover the dark circles but will also highlight and brighten your under eyes, making you look fresh. Set your under eyes with a loose setting powder to avoid any creases. Now set your entire face with a setting powder and spritz a generous amount of setting spray to lock in all the products really well. Let's move on to the contour, blush and highlight to enhance the features further. Contour your cheeks and forehead to add structure to your face. For rosy cheeks, brush on some blush and finish it with highlighting the high points of your face. Last but not the least, complete your look with nude glossy lips. Add the traditional Bengali red bindi and there you go. You are all set for the upcoming Durga Pujo. So there you go guys, I'm all ready for my Durga Pujo 2019. Thanks Sanya, you've completely transformed me.
Yes.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please show us some love. Like, subscribe, comment and share and keep watching Beautiful You for more.